Hi, and welcome to eSpares, the appliance repair channel that helps you to fix your home appliances yourself and guides you in all things appliance maintenance. I'm Matt, and in this video I'll show you what to do if your oven element isn't working properly, specifically the one located at the base of the appliance. You'll know that the bottom heating element isn't working if you find that your food is being cooked unevenly, and you may also notice that the oven isn't heating properly, and if you hover your hand above the base, you can feel that it's still somewhat cold. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and a set of safety gloves. And of course, you'll need a new bottom oven heating element, and you can find a link to these in the description below. Safety first, always make sure you turn off an appliance and disconnect it from the mains before carrying out any work. The bottom oven element can only be accessed by removing the oven from its location. You will then need to remove the back panel of the appliance by undoing the 6 screws with the Phillips head screwdriver. The next step is to remove the electrical connections from the rear of the base element. Simply pull them off. Then we need to lift up the insulation lagging at the bottom here. Now, this is very important that you have your safety gloves on, as the edges of the interior parts of the oven can be very sharp, so do be careful. The element is held in place by a screw at the back here, so use your Phillips screwdriver to remove. Next, for ease of removal with the element, I'm just going to take this bracket out here, which is held in place again by another Phillips screw. Once the bracket is removed, you can easily slide the base element out from the bottom of the oven. Now, when you're on the eSpares website and ordering the base oven element for your appliance, it's essential that you have the exact make and model number of your machine. This is to ensure that you're getting the correct part for your particular appliance. Now, if you're unsure about where to find the model number on your machine, then check out our video here that will give you all the information you need to know. To fit your new base oven element, simply put into position at the bottom, making sure not to damage any of the insulating foil or lagging. Once it's in position, you can go ahead and refit the retaining bracket. With the bracket firmly in place, you can go ahead and screw in the element. Reposition the lagging insulation, and then refit the electrical connections. You can then refit the back panel on the appliance. On this model, there's a bit of flex in the upper metal, so just use that, gently push up, and then it slots back down at the bottom. You can then refit the 6 screws. So there we have it. Now you know how to remove and replace an oven element in a Hotpoint oven. Now, if you need to check the temperature of your oven in the future, you can always do so using a thermometer. Now, we've got a great video on that, which tells you everything you need to know. And of course, if you're interested in more repair guides and maintenance advice, please subscribe to the eSpares channel for more. Thanks for watching.